I'm trying to identify the problems with the variable speed drive. One of the issues appears to be that the pulley on the motor is out of line with the upper pulley. You can see with everything hanging loose that the belt wants to be in this position when it's dangling. When the other side of the pulley is installed, the belt's canted at an angle to make the alignment. That's problem number one. So I loosened the bolts on the shaft right there. There are four of them. The bolts loosened fine. However, the shaft isn't even close to coming off of the shaft of the motor. I'm not really certain how to pull that off without damaging it. I noticed that the key that's installed here, the key itself looks okay, but the hole that it goes into is really wallowed out on the sides. You can see there's a lot of play in that. There was a lot of vibration in the motor, and I suspect that has something to do with it. The other thing is that this shaft that comes out, it wobbles a lot as well. I took the E-clip out of the end and tried pulling on it, and it doesn't want to come out, so I'm not really certain what to do there. The other side of the pulley more or less looks okay. So the key that goes through here, the key is a lot narrower than the width of this shaft. I don't know if I can adequately show that. Let me see. Well, my fat fingers are in the way, but when the two are installed, I don't know how to show this. But there's a lot of play in that. I would say there's probably at least 1/8 of an inch movement from side to side. The plastic piece that goes in here, I'm sure all this stuff has names, but I don't know what they are. I'm just taking stuff apart and seeing what's broken. I don't know. It appears okay. I mean, it's all in one piece. It's really dirty. There's a couple of scratches on it, but more or less it appears to be okay, I guess. The shaft of the pulley on the outside, I see it has this green coating that's got a few chips right at the end. You see right here, but they more or less, I mean, I don't know that much of it would be in contact. I think it would be the bulk of the rest of the shaft. It looks okay. So I guess the main questions I have are, how do I get the pulley back in alignment with the pulley above it? And what do I need to do about the shaft here? I guess one thought is it could possibly be maybe TIG welded and then have that ground out in a different position. I guess that's an option. That's a lot of effort for sure. Anyway, curious to see what everybody says.